Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on the flip diving game. So let's get started right away. Now you can also change this setting from within the game, but for a shortcut, just long press on the flip diving application and then tap on the info button. You will now be taken into the application info page for the flip diving game. Now tap on the notification option and then underneath allow notification, just turn the toggle off, and this will disable all notification from the flip diving application and you will not receive any notifications from the game. You can change this setting back at any time from the notifications menu by simply turning this toggle back on. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn the notifications off within the flip diving game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.